Hello everyone, this is DM2289. It is a 2000 Honda LaGreat Exclusive. This vehicle is mechanically good to go. Aesthetically it looks beautiful as well. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. I'm just gonna walk around and show this thing off to you. It does have some aftermarket wheels on it there, but I would say they're tasteful, kind of like an OEM Plus look to it. Should have pulled this forward a little bit further. Gray leather interior. Really cool floor mats. Yeah, automatic doors. Third row seating back here as well. Let me see if I can, well, I'll do that at least. What you see back here. Let's see, is there a button or do I have to pull the handle? Oh yeah, just pull the handle. Here's obviously where the rear seats go. They get stowed down into that compartment if you don't need your third row seats. Dang, heated front seats it looks like. That's pretty cool. I didn't see that before. Sliding door controls there. Nice and clean. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. If you would like to like this video, we would like that. And then if you would like to subscribe, you'll get notifications for every new car that we list on our website. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.